Yes, yes. Another video, another crazy story, another beautiful story, another episode. What I saw in South Africa. Three best universities to use in South Africa. Three best universities to use in South Africa. Or if you want to study, if you want to learn, if you want to advance to university level, and they're looking for university to use in South Africa. I was there for 15 years, 15 good years. I was there in that country. I know every province, I know every city, I know every town, I know every district, I know every municipality. I was there in that country. So when I'm talking, you have to respect my words, you have to respect my thoughts, you have to respect my views, you have to respect my opinions, you have to respect my perceptions. Of course, I'm not perfect, but I'm almost there to be good, to be correct, to be almost at the best level, at a precise level. When I'm talking, you have to honor my words and pay maximum attention and pay due diligence to what I'm saying. Three, best invest to use in South Africa, according to my study, according to my experience, according to my brain, according to my mind, according to my research. Number one, University of Cape Town. They're the best university in Africa. If you go on Google right now and you punch the best university in Africa as a continent, you find University of Cape Town. Number two, University of Pretoria. University of Pretoria, or UP. In South Africa, SA, they called UP, University of Pretoria, is the second best university to use in South Africa. If you go on Google and do your own research, your own study, you're going to find the same results like me. You understand? Number three, the third best university to use in South Africa, UJ, University of Johannesburg. UJ, in South Africa, they call it UJ, University of Johannesburg, located or domiciled in the city of Johannesburg, South Africa, is the third best university to use in South Africa. To recap, in summary, to conclude, number one, University of Cape Town, UCT, University of Cape Town. Number two, UP, University of Pretoria, located or domiciled in the city of Pretoria, the capital city of South Africa. Pretoria, the capital city of South Africa. Number three, University of Johannesburg, located or domiciled in the city of Johannesburg. Or maybe number four is called Wits, Witwatersrand, Witwatersrand, but shortcut is Wits University. Maybe number four. Number five, maybe Stellenbosch in Cape Town. There's a university called Stellenbosch University, located in Cape Town. Maybe number six, Monash University, located in Johannesburg. Monash University. In that order, UCT, University of Cape Town, University of Pretoria, University of Johannesburg, Wits University. Then you go to Stellenbosch University, number five. Number six, Monash University. Top six in South Africa. You want to study, you want to learn, you want to advance from whatever level to university level, to college level, and they're looking for where to go in South Africa. I was there. Listen to me. I was there for 15 good years. I can tell you categorically right now. Number one, University of Cape Town. Number two, University of Pretoria. Number three, University of Johannesburg. Number four, Wits University. Number five, Stellenbosch University. Number six, Monash University. Top six. You can do all your own study, you can do your own research, but this is what you're going to find. I'm done talking on the best universities to use or to do business with in South Africa, Republic of South Africa. I'm done talking. I'm signing out. Peace and sharp.